Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to customize your swipe back gesture on any Android phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store and in the search bar, just search this and install this app. Then tap on open. Now just enable one hand operation plus. Now once you do that, you will enable the swipe back gesture on your smartphone. Now to customize your swipe back gesture, just tap on advanced settings, then go to animation, and from here you can select the animation style for your swipe back gesture. You can select this arrow style, and this is the second arrow style, and this is the third arrow style. And also you have the option for curved line. I will select the curved line. Now once you select the curved line, you will have the option to customize the color of your curved line. Now you can change the color of the fill just like that. Then select done. You can change the color of the arrow. And also you can change the color of the outline just like that. And this is how you can customize your swipe back gesture on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.